Welcome. In this video I will show you how to scan QR codes using your DELL Latitude 7410's web camera. So first of all, make sure to open your manual camera security shutter and then open the start menu. Go to the list of all applications, find camera on the list and open it. Then let camera use your camera and microphone. You can also let it use your location if you want to, but you don't have to. Now you're gonna have to select this option on the sidebar, which is the barcode option, and just prepare your QR code on the sheet of the paper or on a paper sheet or on your smartphone and face it to your laptop's camera. In a moment you're gonna see this link on your screen, and if you click on it, you will be transferred to the resource that you wanted to reach using this QR code. And so as you can see, it works seamlessly, and I hope it worked for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.